Hello everyone, Sunny. Today, changing battery terminal. I bought this one from Amazon. Let's see how it's gonna work. Open the hood. Find the battery area. This is the negative terminal. This is the positive one. I'm gonna disconnect everything. It's already cracked here. This is the original of the car. So I'm going to disconnect both of them, connect with the new one, both of them, and then let's see how it's going to work. Terminal, and this one is to on. So I'm going to take this one first, and when I take it out, then I'm going to take this one. Look, it's already cracked. I try to cover something to tape the top, so it's just for my preference. Start the engine. You may need to reset the time to the battery is disconnected for a pretty long time. Other than that, everything should be good. That's all for today. Thank you.